time for an afternoon pick-me-up with Kay. Have you seen our new Deluxe Coffee Machine? It does K-Cups, but not only that, it'll do K-Cups, Nespresso cups, and ground coffee. So today I just got one of my favorite, just black coffee, and you can pick. So let's pick 10 ounces. Here we go. And I've also got my favorite creamer in the frother. So I'm just gonna let it start. Maybe. And we're gonna have some low foam to go along with our coffee here in just a minute. See it's doing? This new Deluxe coffee maker is not out for sale yet to our customers or for our hosts. However, new consultants in May of 2024 can earn this coffee maker with their first $1,250 in sales. Have you been thinking about starting your own business with Pampered Chef? If so, I would love to help you get started and earn this Deluxe coffee maker as well as a paycheck. There's what we were looking for. And about the same time, our froth is finished as well. See there? Nice frothy foam to go in. Our afternoon pick-me-up. Thanks for following along on this quick video. I hope to get you your coffee maker soon.